Good morning, Mountain Lions. Mrs. Silva here with the principal's message. Happy Monday. This is our first full week in March. Today is March 6th, and I'm here to do a little bit of announcing. I have lots of things to share with you today. So I'll start by reminding everyone that on Friday at our character assemblies, we kicked off our focus on self-control and really thinking about what that means. Essentially, if we're getting the gist of self-control, it's always thinking before we speak or before we act. And you'll remember that at the assemblies we reviewed STAR, and what I asked you to do is stop, think, and act right. Okay, so we need to focus on that now, just to make sure that in class, around school, and in our community, we're always making helpful and never hurtful choices. So we'll be looking for that. Are you stopping and thinking before you act? Are you keeping school a safe, calm, appropriate place? All right, so the first thing I need to do is say I went ahead and drew a winner, because those of you at the kindergarten first, second/third grade assembly know that I made a mistake and drew the wrong grade ticket, and I said I'd do that on Principal's Council. So I drew a ticket, and it's our friend Erica from Miss Montez's class who gets the very cool new purple Mountain Lion t-shirt. Congratulations, Erica. Your teacher has that shirt for you. On Friday, many classes received the ticket total awards for February, and those were lollipops with gum in them, blow pops. Let me read the classes who achieved the goal, and then if someone forgot to turn their ticket total sheet in, it's actually not too late, since it was, I just put a bag of treats in the boxes, so you can still turn those in today, but I'd like to wrap it up today if anyone still has their ticket totals. So the winners for that were Miss Espinoza's class, Miss Kisbert's class, Miss Thomas's class, Miss Wolzen's class, Miss Montez's class, Miss Jolly's class, sticking together, Miss Olson's class, Miss Copeland's class, Miss Covey's, oh, wrong pack, sorry Miss Covey, I'm teasing you. Your class worked hard but didn't quite make it for February. Miss Hammett's class, Mr. Charles and Miss McAlpin's class, and Miss Plack's class. Congratulations, friends. Remember, for ticket totals, you get one of these. I'd really like everyone to put the total number of tickets on it, not 200 plus. That helps me know what we're averaging and how to set the following month's ticket totals. So you can even use this sheet, because all teachers got it in their box, just to keep tallies. It doesn't have to look any certain way, but I'd like to know the actual total, because I'm seeing that in upper grades, some classes are earning well over 300. One class had 600, and I'm like, really? In 1 month? So you remember at the last Principal's Council, I said we're going to adjust that a little bit. So what I'd like to do is for our primary classes, that's every class that has 25 students or fewer in it, your ticket total for the month is 200. For our upper grade classes, that's every class that has 31 or more students in it, your ticket total target for the coming month is going to be 350 tickets, which based on what I'm seeing, you should be able to do pretty easily. So primary remains 200, upper grade is 350, and then I would like our Ed specialists to connect their classes to their grade level inclusion classes. Your classes are so tiny, you can't really earn that many tickets on your own, so connect to your grade level inclusion class for the ticket total count so that your kids don't miss out on the opportunity to earn those. All right, final thing is grain tickets for this week, and here we go. You can come up at recess or before or after school, but probably recess is the best to get a prize if your ticket is drawn. Ali from Miss Thomas's class, Lalasa from Miss Espinoza's class, Bella from Miss Custenborder's class, Byron from Miss Olson's class, Tony from Miss Jolly's class, Lauren from Miss Montez's class, Austin from Miss Knapoff's class, Mackenzie from Miss Copeland's class, Rama from Miss Litoff's class, Harley from Miss Covey's class, Walid from Miss Knapoff's class, Hector from Mr. Charles' class, Fabian from Miss Hammett's class, James Gill from Miss Plack's class, Chanel Pena from Miss Kelly's class, and Veronica Yasmin from Miss Plack's class. Remember, I draw from each class if you have tickets in the boxes in the office, so try to get those in by Friday so that I can draw a name from your class and maybe include you in the ticket winners. All right, friends, we're going to have a busy week. I know I say that every week, but we have so much to learn. We don't have any downtime really, which is okay. We have plenty of vacations when we come to school, and that's our focus in our job. So when you're here, we really expect you to do your best and be continuing to improve and grow, both in respect to your character and the choices you make, and to your academic learning and how much you're allowing your brain to absorb, expand, and really think and become the best you can be. Have an awesome week. We'll see you around school.